Let's also speak for those who have lost their lives. Let's also speak for those who have been displaced from their houses.
Politics. Nation means 35 rights on record, and your government sleeps. And 35 government you don't speak because it does not suit you.
Those who are dead, let's not dishonor them by only attributing it to the appeasement politics, madam.
Now of course it is appeasement politics. When a girl gets raped in the camp, in a shelter home, you don't raise that issue. You keep quiet on that. A woman gets raped before that. 12 women get raped. You don't speak about it.
Ms. Lekhi, all the time saying.
It was about
you see,
honor.
When you honor those
and so far as this particular
CDs,
don't keep on repeating RSS. What is the government doing? Why didn't you stop it? Why didn't you stop it? You are lying. You are lying. And the court has found it to be lying. It shows you.
Are also divided.
It is you
when you make
who want
My question is what message you are sending out? What message? 1 second.
It is you
1 second.
who want displacement of Muslim votes from SP.
May I please?
I don't have to do that. I have enough of development.
Can we come in, please? I would like to respond.
You see, 1 second. This can go on. You see, first, one minute.
Can I respond?
First, संगीत सोम जी 1 minute रुकिए please. धैर्य रखिए. My only question is simply this: what is the message being sent?
Arnab.
That's all. No one wait. What is the message you're sending? You know that there is a polarized situation. Let's talk in that context. Javed Akhtar said some time back that these are insignificant individuals in a situation, but there was a tone of sarcasm in what he said there. My question is, Javed Akhtar, what is the message being sent out? Meenakshi Lekhi, let me ask him a question. He has been patient. He has been patient in the last part of 5 minutes of the debate. 10 minutes of the debate, he has not spoken.
Maulana Nazar.
Arnab, can I come in?
Somebody accused of writing was given a plane to land in Lucknow, and you don't raise that issue?
So, of course, we raised that issue. We were the first channel to raise that issue. Miss Lekhi, this persecution complex will not do that. We only raise questions. Miss Lekhi, please be clear about it. We have raised these issues. We have asked the chief ministers of Uttar Pradesh. We have questioned the Samajwadi Party on this incompetence, Miss Lekhi.
Holding them guilty.
Miss Lekhi, Miss Lekhi, we ask the questions equally to all. When we ask the question to the Samajwadi Party, then you stand out there and you say right question.
But then
when we ask the question to you, you say completely unfair. I will not accept that, Ms. Lekhi. We have questions on both sides. I asked a question to Javed Akhtar. Let him reply for a minute, please, Ms. Lekhi. Javed Akhtar, what's the message being sent out? And you've heard Meenakshi Lekhi. Now I want you to respond to her. Meenakshi Lekhi, this is the response from Javed Akhtar. Go ahead.
What I want to say, what is the difference between communalism and a non-communal attitude and point of view? You see, in every segment of society, you will, at any point of time, you will find people who are terrible, who are irresponsible, who will do nasty things. It will always be like this. But we have to understand that if a boy or a man of community A has misbehaved with a girl who belongs to community B, this man has done it, this man, an individual, and he should be hanged or he should be arrested and put behind bars. But the moment you start thinking in the terms that I have never interrupted you, Meenakshi ji, I deserve some respect in that matter.
I am only complimenting you that I agree with you.
Just a second. But the moment you say, because the boy or the man belong to this community is responsible for this crime, that is communalism. Arresting this man is reasonable.
I am not saying that.
Now what has happened, I want to know. I am willing to believe what you have said. You have said that there was a rape of a girl and somebody did this and somebody molested so and whatever. 40,000 people who are in the camps, are they responsible for that misbehavior, for that crime? 70,000 people have spread out. On the whole, almost 70,000 Muslims have been displaced. They have lost their livelihood, they have lost their houses, they have lost everything. Is it not communalism? Say that this is communalism. Whatever has happened was a communal act. Now I am willing to accept. I have no love lost for SP or any party for that matter. I don't know, for reasons unknown, some people think that I have certain loyalties with Congress. I have no loyalty with any party. For me, all the parties are the same. Okay? Now, SP is the responsible that let it happen. But let us find out who did it. Who has done it? SP, let them do it. Okay.
Respect, you
but
see,
who did it?
You see, we believe here, in our country, bail is not a sign of innocence or guilt.
I need to speak, please.
No, bail is not a sign of innocence, bail is not a sign of guilt. Gaurav Bhatia.
I need to see.
Meenakshi Lekhi, you're getting a counter from Gaurav Bhatia, please. Gaurav Bhatia.
Arnab, if Mrs. Lekhi allows
Gaurav
me,
Bhatia.
I'd like to speak.
Let me rebut.
Gaurav Bhatia wants to say something to you, Ms. Lekhi.
I wanted to point out. I wanted to point out that Arnab had asked a question, and the question was this.
And it is the failure of the state government to protect
allow me,
the
Mrs.
dignity and
Lekhi.
honor of women.
I think when you were speaking, I
Ms.
heard
Lekhi,
you.
listen to him. He has a counter to you. You need to listen to him, then you can
A
respond.
long story of writing in Uttar Pradesh.
This is
goes
unfortunate.
uncontrolled, and it is SP
She doesn't want to listen to me.
which benefits by communalizing
Miss Lekhi.
politics. I don't.
Miss
and I don't
Lekhi,
wish to.
the sacred
And so
principle.
So many people who
Miss
are in
Lekhi.
camp, it is the
Can I-
Miss
plan of
Lekhi,
the
decades
Congress
ago,
Party
decades
to
ago.
let those
This is
people be
absurd.
in
Miss
the
Lekhi,
camp. They are
please,
taking affidavits from
please,
them.
please,
They will
Miss
not go
Lekhi.
back home.
Miss Lekhi, decades ago, Justice
And
D.R.
I need to
Miss
ask-
Lekhi,
I need
please.
to ask
You don't want to listen to anyone else's point of view.
What is his stand on corruption
Can I
and Indian
just-
Mujahideen?
Miss Lekhi,
I
please.
think he has the same
Keep it
stand
pointed.
as I
Keep
have.
it pointed. Now I'll let Gaurav Bhatia come in.
Can
Gaurav
I-
Bhatia wants to say something. I'm not even coming in.
I'm
Gaurav
keeping it
Bhatia.
pointed.
She is asking me a question.
Now,
I
Arnab,
must
first of
answer.
all, I think, Arnab, you had raised the issue of Maulana going to
should respond.
Lucknow,
I should-
and we had debated that issue. So, Meenakshi ji is not right on that. Secondly, your question regarding the IPC
just
offences
pointing out.
have been
So you
very
agree with
cleverly
that, na?
not answered by Mrs. Lekhi.
You are communalizing.
She is a lawyer. She knows that if
You are
IPC sections
communalizing.
are imposed, then at least those sections. Why don't you listen to me, Mrs. Lekhi? Is it disturbing you that I am asking you a question which you'll have to reply in a minute?
No, please ask.
Just
Please
allow
ask.
me to complete myself. Yeah. Yeah. You are a lawyer. You are aware that certain IPC sections were invoked. Investigation is right now, it's continuing. It would culminate into a charge sheet or final report. Is this the time to felicitate such a person who is an accused in such a serious case? If he is acquitted or final report is filed, then you could have honored him. But why are you doing it at this stage? Are you not communalizing the whole issue? And secondly, this is the second debate where you were saying that Jat girls or Jat boys or Hindus, it's not about Muslims or Hindus. There were 62 lives that we lost. They were all Indians. So I think we should not get into this religion
I
politics.
agree.
Rather,
Okay.
we should just say that it was
No, but
unfortunate
you asked
that
about
these 62
Sangeet
lives were
Som,
lost.
Sangeet
And why
Som,
are
before
you
I go to the next
communalizing it by
debate.
making these
No,
comments?
we are moving to the Snoop
Hindu and
scandal
Muslim
debate in a
politics.
minute. My question to Sangeet Som is, Sangeet Somji, you have an option.
Can I
Why
answer
don't you?
what Mr. Bhatia
Meenakshi
asked?
Lekhi, please,
Can I
let me
answer?
please, let me please come in now, Miss Lekhi. Sangeet Som, why don't you say 1 minute, Mr. Som, Mr. Som,
Question, let me answer
Mr. Som,
that.
सवाल तो सुन
Let me
लीजिए.
answer that.
सवाल तो सुन
Everybody is
लीजिए.
presumed to be innocent
सवाल
and proven
सवाल
guilty.
करने से पहले
You are-
मेरी बात
you are-
सुन लीजिए.
you are
आपने
making
बीच
him
में मेरी
guilty
बात रोक दी.
before
पहले
proven.
बात सुन लीजिए मेरी.
ये भाषण, ये तो रैली नहीं है ना,
अभी
पॉलिटिकल
मिस्टर
रैली. आपको
जावेद
सवाल
अख्तर ने
सुनना
कहा
पड़ेगा.
कि यहाँ चर्चा किस पे होगी किस पे नहीं होगी ये डिसाइड करने वाले कौन होते हैं? मिस्टर जावेद अख्तर कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कि चर्चा किस पे होगी
नहीं,
किस पे
आप-
नहीं होगी?
आप
हम
कौन है जो आप
जनप्रतिनिधि
decide
हैं,
करेंगे?
उनका है, और मिस्टर
आप कौन होते हैं जो आप डिसाइड करेंगे? डिसाइड मैं करूंगा, आप नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं तो मिस्टर
मैं डिसाइड कर रहा हूं.
ये बात
नहीं
कहने से
आप मैं एक मिनट, संगीत सोम जी, इतना घमंड मत दिखाइए प्रो टीवी पे, खराब लगता है. आप सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. आप कौन है डिसाइड करेंगे कि क्या डिस्कशन होता है कि नहीं होता है?
ये कौन होते हैं डिसाइड करने वाले?
आप कौन? मैं अपना, सबका अपना अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है.
संगीत जी, क्या आपने वो वीडियो अपलोड किया था? इतना बता दीजिए. क्या आपने
नहीं
वीडियो
किया।
अपलोड किया था संगीत जी?
बिल्कुल नहीं किया, बिल्कुल नहीं किया.
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल नहीं किया। और
अच्छा,
अगर हमने
ठीक है,
वीडियो
तो
अपलोड किया हो
investigation
या कोई भड़काऊ भाषण दिया हो
ट्रायल हो
तो हम
जाएगा,
उसके
सत्य
उसके
सामने आ
गुनहगार हैं।
जाएगा।
लेकिन फर्जी तरीके से इस तरीके से थोपा
सत्य
जाएगा
सामने आ जाएगा।
तो आना चाहिए। क्यों नहीं दिया एडवाइजरी बोर्ड में? क्यों नहीं सत्य दिया? दो बार एडवाइजरी बोर्ड में डेट लगी है, पहली बार ऐसा हुआ होगा।
देखिए आपका
एडवाइजरी बोर्ड में दो बार में कोई proof दिया?
एडवाइजरी बोर्ड में क्या होता है मैं आपको बता दूं। एडवाइजरी बोर्ड के सामने मटेरियल रखा जाता है और एडवाइजरी बोर्ड यह देखता है कि वो मटेरियल पर्याप्त है या नहीं। वो इसका फैसला नहीं करते कि आप निर्दोष हैं या आपने गुनाह किया। ये नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, आईपीसी के ऑफेंसेस की हम बात नहीं कर रहे संगीत जी।
आपको मैं यही बताता हूं।
हाँ जी,
एडवाइजरी बोर्ड
मुझे पता है कानून थोड़ा सा संगीत
मटेरियल देने का वादा किया था।
Mr. Som, you will be the first person in Indian history who gets you on a lighter note. You will be among the first people who gets honored for coming out on bail, Mr. Som. Let's see whether this continues. This will certainly be debated. The BJP knows it will be debated. Maybe it wants the debate.
No, but the UP
we'll follow it up.
government has already
Thank you for
filed
joining me for debate
cancellation
number
of
1
bail.
on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.
UP